How to upload CapCut videos to YouTube Shorts. In this tutorial, I'll show you guys a quick and easy way to upload your CapCut videos onto your YouTube Shorts. So first thing you have to do is open up your CapCut, tap on this new project to create a new short. And now here I've added this video to my short on CapCut. So once you're done editing this, so let me just add a quick text here. So I'm just going to add something like subscribe. And once you're done editing, tap on done, adjust your text, and then select select the length of your text. Now click on export. Now it will start exporting the video to your gallery. Once your video has been exported, just go to YouTube. And then from here, you're going to have to create a new video. Tap on this plus icon. Now just tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left. Here I've selected the video. So what I'm gonna do is drag and adjust the video if you want. Now I'm gonna tap on done. Now it's on the processing. So once the processing is complete, now you just have to go ahead and tap on next. Or if you want to add some make some edits, you can do here by adding other text, trim the video, and more. So tap on next again. You can add details to this video. Now you can add caption to your short. Let's just add something like subscribe again. You can add the visibility. Then you can allow remixing if you want. Select the targeted audience. Now just click on upload short. And now your short is being uploaded to your YouTube Shorts from your CapCut. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you basically upload a CapCut video to YouTube Shorts. If you found this helpful, be sure to like it and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.